Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration. Our theme for this month is neons, and I'm using Beetles Neon Polish Collection. You can get these off Amazon. I can't remember what I paid. I'll flash it across the bottom of the screen, because off the top of my head right now I don't remember. I want to say like $21, $22 for the 6-piece collection. I have started without you. I think these turned out pretty cool, especially this one. So we're going to do the ring and the index finger. We're going to see how this is going to turn out for us. Hopefully good. That is my plan anyways. In the description box will be a list of participants, as well as first comment pinned will be the playlist. That way you can watch everybody's video. Just click and let them all play. Yeah. I think that'd be really cute. We are all in need of some watch time. I know I am. Trying to reach my 1K. And I am at 820 subscribers currently. So if you see it in your heart, please subscribe. Please click that bell. And glad to have ya. When you're clicking the bell, please click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. What do you think of this one so far? I'm going to put this down here so it can self-level out a little bit. Put the lids back on these and move on to the index finger, which is going to be pink and orange. Pink and orange. I did put a white base coat down first to make the colors pop. I really love this orange. I think it is just stunning. You might want to overlap them yourself a little bit. Maybe not. And just too much pink on the edge of the nail. I think these are so cute together. I like how well they all blend well. They all gel polish is self-level, which is a huge plus. What do you think? Should I blend it a little bit more? Now we're going to wait for these to self-level as well. I think these look really, really stunning. Gradient, neon gradient, whichever way you want to call it. Sorry about that. I'm going to pop these in the lamp now for 60. And we will be right back. What was filmed, I'm not sure what was not. Just pop the lights in the lamp for a 60-second cure. Added a black stripe down the side of each nail. That's the part that I don't know if it was getting filmed or not. When those come out of the lamp, we are going to top coat. Don't forget, this is a Girlz collaboration. We ask for a full view of each video for your support. We appreciate your kindness. We just appreciate you being here. We really do. So give us a full view, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let us know what you thought of the videos of each manicure. Let us know you came by. That way we can, chit-chat a little bit. I might have a couple new subscribers out there. Hello and welcome. Hope you're enjoying this. Alright, nails are ready to come out of the lamp. This is my Glitter Girls Neon manicure for our collaboration. Hope you were seeing what I was doing there when I was adding the black and I wasn't just, bumping my gums to myself. I hope. Puts you nice. I don't know, what's me in the throat issues lately. Puts you nice. Yeah, I'm chewing gum, just chomping away. I hope you can't hear me. Puts you a nice top coat on your nails. I think these are just stunning. These turned out very well. Very well. This week I've got I think 4 or 5 videos coming out instead of my normal 3. So please stay tuned for that. Please show your support in watching them. I'd greatly appreciate that. Alright, we are top coated, ready back for the oven. We'll be back in 60. Alrighty, we are back. One last and final time. Fresh out of the lamp, we have top coated and sealed in our manicure. I think it turned out pretty darn cute. Don't forget, show your support for all the Glitter Girls. Watch the playlist in full, please. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to click the bell. And click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.